169. Madam, this one, up to... Madam, branded by Uniqlo na naman. Hello, Madam Alia. Madam Alia, meron na po kaming PNM sa inyo, Dam. Nakadepende po sa number of items. Uy, Madam. Kaya talaga Madam Star, ha? Madam Maya, ha? That's small to semi-med. Uy, seatmate nyo ba yan? Classmate nyo ba yan? Now up to semi-med, branded by Uniqlo. For only 169 pesos. Nagpahipi na dito sila Star. Now up to semi-med, branded by Uniqlo. Mayan outside. Mine outside, branded by Uniqlo for only 169 pesos. Mayan outside, up to semi-med, branded by Uniqlo. Dam, semi-med lang siya, kay medyo huot siya diri na area dam ay. Mine outside, blue and white po ito dam, up to semi-med. 169, branded by Uniqlo. Next naman dam.
Mine outside. Hello, Madam Alia Clarin. Good afternoon, Madam. Shipping fee po natin, Madam, Bataan. Nakadepending po siya sa number of items niyo po, Madam. Please check your messenger, Madam. Alia Clarin, meron po kami i-PM sa inyo, Madam, about shipping fee po natin, Madam. Madam, this one, small. Small, Madam, mine crispy. Mine crispy, Madam, small, Madam, 169. Mine crispy, small, Madam, 169. Bayan, crispy. Next na, Madam.
Asan ang door ng tingnan? Sa ubos. No? Next, Madam. Yes, Madam Maria, bali, payment first po kayo dito sa atin, Dam. Tapos kapag na-receive nyo na po yung parcel, wala na po kayong babayaran, Madam. Upon receipt of parcel, Madam. Dam, this one, Dam, ang ganda nito, Dam. Up to semi-large. Up to semi-large, 169, mine storage. Mine storage, up to semi-large. For only 169 pesos. Mine storage, up to semi-large, 169. Storage, semi-large. 169. Dam, nakatali yan, Madam, ha? Naka-ribbon siya, Madam. Maganda to siya, Dam. Hindi to siya, isang dress to siya, Madam. Mayan. Tali? Storage, up to semi-large. 169 pesos. Next, Madam. Okay, so. Next, Madam. Madam Gray Veruan. Yours is storage, Madam Gray. 123, 123. Next, Madam. 169.
Madam, this one, extra small to small. Extra small to small, 169. Mine maroon. Mine maroon, extra small to small. For only 169. Mine maroon, extra small to small, 169. Mine maroon, extra small to small. Next one.
Mayan, maroon. Dam, eto, Dam. Ang ganda ng tela. Best fit to medium. Super quality ang tela nito. Dam, mamahalin to siya na pagka-knitted, Madam. Up to medium, 169. Mine above. Mine above, up to medium, 169 pesos. Mayan above, up to medium, 169. Above, up to medium, 169 pesos. Next, Madam. Uy, Madam Alexius. Thank you so much, Madam. Madam, payment first po tayo, Dam, ha, sa items and SF for outside Cebu miners po, Madam. Madam, mine above, 169 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan above.
Madam, next, Madam. Uy, sino mga large to XL dyan, Madam? Eto, Madam, super lambot ang tela. Uy, maganda to, Dam, ha. Super lambot ang tela, 169. Large to XL. Madam, XL to, Madam. Super lambot ang tela for only 169. Mayan, extra large. Mine, extra large, up to XL. For only large to XL, Dam, bagay siya sa large, carry up to XL. Mayan, extra large. Super lambot ang tela. 169, mine, extra large. Large to XL, 169 pesos. Next, Madam. Madam Ami, oy, Madam Ami, very nice to Madam. Madam Ami Juanetas, yours is the above, 123, 123. Next, Madam.
Next, Madam. Madam, medium.
430.
Medium, Madam, for only 169 pesos. Mayan. Mickey. Mine, Mickey. Medium, Madam, for only 169. Mine, Mickey. 169. Mayan, Mickey, medium, madam, 169. Mickey, next time, madam.
Mayan, Mickey, for only 169 pesos. Down this one, up to medium. Down this one, madam, for only 169. Uy, ang ganda. Best fit 2, up to medium, 169 pesos. Mayan Alerto. Mine Alerto, madam. Dam, ang ganda nito, dam. Bodycon dress. Carry pa to semi-large. Mine Alerto, small to semi-large, 169 pesos. Mayan Alerto, small to semi-large, for only 169. Next time, madam.
Mayan
Alerto.
Madam, wait lang, madam.
Small to semi-large, dam ha, very, very stretchable. Madam, maxi dress. Madam Laika Sanchez, yours na si Alerto. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Madam Laika Sanchez. Next time, madam.
Next time, madam. Down this one, large to XL. Down this one, large to XL, 4169. Mayan Simba. By Simba, large to XL, for only 169. By Simba, large to XL, 169. Mayan Simba, large, 169.